In a series of videos about some tips and tricks about SureSend, this one is going to be on how to create a folder for your automations in SureSend. It's hidden. If you found this video, it's maybe because you can't find how to create the folder. So here we are in the dashboard view. So you are in automations and you have some folders. Maybe there's all automations and then there's my automations, right? You have multiple folders. And you're looking on this page and you cannot find anywhere to create a new folder, right? This was something that came up on a client call recently, a couple times actually. And I thought, oh, this would be a great video to make. So you look, there's folders, you look in here, nope. So what you're going to do is you're going to create an automation. Oh, let me move this out of the way. Okay. So let's do test folder. I'll show you two ways. So we're going to create an automation. We're not going to worry about the settings right now. We're going to put it in my testing folder for now. Hit create and continue. So once you do that, then you go into the settings and you could now change the folder setting. So from here, you can now create a new folder. So we can call it new folder create. And now we'll save that. And now when we go over to our automations, it's in the new folder. So I said I would show you two ways. So that was one way where we created a new automation to create the new folder. Another way is to go into an automation that you previously had. I want to go into my testing. So let's see. I just can do it from here. So you're in an automation. Again, let me move myself out of the way. And we want to edit. So we're going to go into the settings. So this is now an existing automation. Wait, let me show you a different one because I don't want you to get confused that this was one I just built. So let me go into, I keep moving myself out of the way here. Let me go into my testing folder. So again, this was a folder I already had existing. So if I didn't want to create a new automation, so I could come into here. And then again, so this is now an existing automation, come to the settings, and then I could create a new folder from here. So this is my second folder, create. From there, and then you hit save and you go back to automations and second folder, create. So again, there's two ways. You can either create a new automation and there's an option to create a new folder, or if you go to edit one of your automations and from the settings, you can create a new folder that way. So I hope this was helpful. And tell me in the comments what other tips and tricks I could record for you for SureSend.